This video explains how to manage Safari settings on supervised iOS and macOS devices using Ivanti Neurons for MDM. You will learn to configure Safari extensions, homepage, and device assignments to ensure proper management. Click the Configurations menu to access device management settings. Click Add to create a new Safari settings configuration. Search for the required configurations from here. Enter a keyword to filter Safari-related configurations. Click Safari Extension and Settings to manage Safari extension settings on supervised iOS, macOS, and visionOS devices. Click Safari Settings to manage supervised iOS and macOS devices. Enter configuration name to identify this Safari settings profile. Under the configuration settings, select one of the listed options: Start, Homepage, or Extension. By default, Start is selected. Using the Homepage option, select Homepage to set the Start page settings in Safari. Enter a URL for Homepage. Note that Safari uses the default homepage URL. Using the Extension option, click Extension to configure Safari extension identifiers. Enter the extension identifier. You must select one of the three options listed here. Click Next to continue with the configuration process. Click All Devices to apply the configuration to all devices. By default, the configuration will not be distributed to other spaces. However, you can distribute the configuration to devices in other spaces by selecting the Apply to Devices in Other Spaces option to extend the configuration scope. Click Custom to distribute the configuration to specific users and groups. Click Users to manage user-specific configurations. Select the required users from the displayed list. Click User Groups to assign settings to groups of users. Similarly, you can distribute the configuration to devices by selecting the Devices/Device Groups option. Select one or more of the listed devices. For device groups, you need to click the Device Groups tab and select the device groups from the list. Click Done to complete the Safari settings configuration and distribution. You have successfully configured and distributed Safari settings on supervised iOS and macOS devices.